Here we go. Stubby McDuff's box 11-12. Canada versus the world. So good luck, buddy. Let's kill this for you. C56, Doug Harvey. Great Moments, Joe Sakic. Roots of International Hockey, Bunny Ahern. World Junior Grad Jersey Silver, Chris Chelios. Have a good night, Dosco. Canadian Cloth Jersey Black, Vinny Lecavalier. Vincent Lecavalier. International Material Jersey Black, Mikko Koivu. That'll do. I'll do just fine. We've got, I think this is numbered to 10, but I'm not sure, so we might have to double check. A Training Day Emblem. Martin Brodeur. Marty Brodeur at Training Day Emblem, and you gotta love it. The hand and the stick of the hockey player and the logo. Gorgeous. And the autographs are of Urbe, Arturs Urbe, and Boris Mikhailov. God, I love that bucket. So there you go, buddy.